Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see a problem called how to find sum of elements in an array using recursion. We have two methods, one is substring and index. We can see both methods. See here, first I am going with the substring method. First of all, this is our array. This is our array. So, what is sum? What is sum? 1 plus 3, it is 4. 4 plus 2, it is 6. 6 plus 3, it is 9. We want to output what? 9. Now clear? Clear? The question is clear now. Just see this approach. I can take this one. I can take this one and add it to my result. And also, I can take the remaining portion and add it later. Like this. I divided the main problem to the sub problem. Let me take this as a f of some value, some function. I can divide like this. Again, I can divide this further like this problem can be divided as this problem can be divided as what? Can be divided as 3 plus f of 2 comma 3, and then again this problem can be divided as 2 plus f of 3, and this problem can be divided as 3 plus empty list or empty array. This empty array is what? 0. Is what? 0. Because the sum of empty array is 0, right? Now just add 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, it is 8. 8 plus 1, it is 9. We got the output, right? Now, how to write the recursion relation or recursion code? What is the first method? We want to write the recursion relation. So, what is the recursion relation? We only use function, and inside this function, we are just passing what? Array. We just pass array. That's it, right? We just pass array, then we break it like we will take the 0th in this and add to our result. Then we will take remaining part and send it to the recursion call. That's it, right? That's it. Okay. Now, what is second step? It is base case. So, what is the base case? I can say the base case is when my list is empty or when my array is empty. When array is empty, I want to stop there, right? So, if ARR is empty, that means equal to empty list, then I have to stop like return 0. The sum of this empty list is 0, right? Just return 0. That's it. Then third step is body. What's the body of this recursion? I want to return what? I want to return ARR of 0. 0th in this plus f of what? ARR of 1 is to 2. It means I want to take the summation of the first value and I want to send the remaining values from 1 in this to last to recursion call. See here, I will take this one. I will take this one and I will send the remaining like 0, 1, 2, 3. I will send this 1 to remaining part. From this one index to remaining part to the next recursion call. Right? That's what I have written here. Now, by doing this, we can achieve this method. Right? So, what is the time complexity and space complexity? I can say the time complexity is O of n because we are just traversing to entire array using recursion. What is space complexity? It is also O of n because we are using a stack space and also we are using a substring method. So in C++ or Java, we can use what? Substring. In C, we can use pointer method. When pointer goes null or like that, we can stop that. Okay. Now, this is the first method. Okay. What is the second method? Second method is index method. This index method is important than this first method. Okay. You will find this index method in combination sum, permutation, anything. In many of the backtracking and dynamic programming approach, this index method will be used. So that only I am just relate that difficulty problem with this small problem. Okay. It is more clear. Just see here. It is easy also. See here. Let me take the same some other array 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let me take this. Take this. First of all, I want to take this 2, then add to my result. What is my result? Now it is 2. Now again, I will go to this 3 and add it to my result. Now again, I will go to this 4 and add to my result and go to my 5 and add to my result. Now what is my result now? It is 5, 5 plus 9. So, sorry, 5, 10, 10, 14. 14 is my result. Right? Right? Now, just observe carefully. Instead of taking one element and returning or calling a function for other elements, why can't we add that index element and make that index plus 1? Can you understand? If I want this 0, 1, 2, 3. First, I will take the 0th element and add. Then I will take this one element, this first index element and add. Then I take the second element in this, second index and add. So what is my relation? My relation is f of what? First thing the array. Then I will pass the index. Okay. And what's my second thing? It is base case. What's my base case? If index is equal to len of arr, then I should stop, right? If I go here, I should stop. What is my result? It will be 0. So what is my return? 0. Because there is no elements. No elements meant that then it will be 0 obviously, right? So return 0. So what is the third step? It is body. What's the body? It's a main part. It is a main part. Because see here, we want to return what? ARR of index plus f of ARR comma index plus 1. Yes, because first I am going to this 2, then adding it, then I am going to the 3, then adding it, then going to this 4, then adding it, then going to this 5, adding it. Instead of making the substring and returning, I am just taking the index and I am adding plus 1. Let me explain it so that it will be more clear. Take the same example. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now observe carefully. Initially, what is the function called? It is for f of arr comma 0 comma 0. So what is it? 0th index? It is 2. It is 2. So take the 2. 2 plus, this can be written as 2 plus f of arr comma index plus 1. Index plus 1 means what? 0 plus 1, it is 1. Correct. Now this can be written as what? For first index it is 3, right? So 3 plus f of arr comma 1 plus 1, it is 2. 2. Again, this f of arr comma 2 can be written as, what is that second index? It is 4. So 4 plus f of arr comma what? 3. Again, this arr of 3 can be written as what? F of arr comma 4. And what should I add? I should add the third index element. Okay. So what is 5 plus, right? Again, this will move down. This will move down. And when it encounters this 4, 4 is the length of that array, right? So base case is attained. It will return what? 0. So this entire is replaced as 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. Is 5. Again, this entire is replaced as 5. 5 plus 4, it is 9. Now, this entire will be replaced as 9. 9 plus 12, sorry, 9 plus 3, it is 12. So, this entire will be replaced as what? 12. Now, 2 plus 12, it is 14. So, now entire this function will what? Will return the value what? 14. So, what is the output? 14. Can you understand now? Can you understand now? This is simple, right? So, again, what is time complexity and space complexity? Time complexity is O of n and space complexity is also O of n because of stack space. We don't have any substring space, but we have stack space, right? So that's the reason why we have got space complexity as O of n. Now let's see the code. See here, this is the first method. I just use the substring of from 1 to remaining part, and I will add arr of 0, right? When that string, that array is empty, I will return what? 0, right? Let me comment this and run. Yes, 17 because 1 plus 4 it is 5, 5 plus 2 it is 7, 7 plus 7 it is 14, 14 plus 0 14, 14 plus 3 it is 17, right? Now again let me comment this and take this. Here I have used the second method, in this method. See here I passed the index first, there I passed index second, here I passed first, okay? And then index is equal to arr of length, then I will return what? 0. Else I want to do what? Arr of I plus sum of I plus 1 comma arr, so that I am taking that index value, then I am just placing that index value by 1 and calling new recursion, okay? Now just passing 0 comma this value, right? Let me submit it. Got answer, right? Thank you.